the fallen leaves drift by my window. The autumn leaves of red and gold.
This is a 2017 East Cape Fury, made by East Cape out of Orlando, Florida. It's a custom built boat. It's 19 feet long. It comes with a rambling trailer, all galvanized trailer. It has the iPilot link with the upgraded Bluetooth controller and the Bluetooth head. It's got plenty of storage, a spare trolling motor propeller, this is a scooter deck, so you can stand up and walk around this boat really easy. We've got a backrest for the front platform. This is C deck, which is easy on the feet. We have the rod holders, which will store, we actually were able to put 12. You could actually put 2 rod holders in each one if you want to. This is actually another storage inside for putting a push pull or something like that in it. And there's a cutting board down there. This has the self-drain system on it. This has a 75-gallon Yeti cooler with a divider in it, so you can keep the fish separate from the drinks. Onboard chargers for the batteries. There are 2 AGM cranking batteries and 1 large lithium battery for the troll motor. The troll motor can be run about 2.5 days to 3 days, depending on how you use it. And you can just charge them back up again just by plugging into here if you want to. Okay. It has a 60 horsepower 4-stroke Suzuki, very quiet running vehicle. I mean motor. It's one of the better motors out there. We've got the power pole from Power Pole here. The 4-blade prop. We've got the Lenco stabilizers. This is a dog bowl, or you can put cut bait in here if you like fishing with shrimp or something. But it's a dog bowl from a dog. This has the battery storage down here. Here's the live well with the drain there. This is the back polling platform. This unit comes with the power pole, the carbon fiber 24-foot power pole. I had it modified so I could make it easy to store in my truck. And this is an umbrella that goes out if you want to keep the sun off of you. It's got a stainless steel anchor, brand new life vest. These are my favorite fishing towels. They clip onto your loop belt, so those come with it as well. This boat has been an excellent fishing boat for me. I'm 73. I'm buying an RV. I'm gonna be RVing for the next 6 or 8 years, and I'm going 9 months out of the year. So it's a really good deal on this boat. I think you ought to give me a call if you have any questions. This is a shallow water boat. It's very light. It'll run in 4 to 6 inches of water without any problem. And it's been a good flats fishing boat, skinny water boat for us. There's a nice 10-inch Humminbird fish finder on it. It has tracking on it. It runs in with the iPilot link, so you can lay down tracks. So if you have a special fishing route, you could call that route up. You can take that route in the fog, in the dark, and it'll take you right where you want to do safely. So it's a good navigation unit. It works extremely well. If you have any
the fallen leaves drift by my window.
This boat comes with a 24-foot push pole.
The autumn leaves of red and gold